So today I'm going to show you how to get the Hypesquad on your Discord using your mobile phone. First, we want to go on the Safari or your browser of choice. And then we're going to quickly search for the discord.com/login. After that, just log in your Discord account. So I'm just quickly going to do that. And then we're just going to wait for it to load. And then after that, just click on the three lines on the top left corner. And once you're in there, just zoom in and click this gear icon next to the headphones. And then after that, you should be in this section of the Discord. And then you just want to scroll down until you see this Hypesquad option. And then after you click that, click the Join Hypesquad button. And then here, it will ask you a bunch of basic questions that you just have to answer. And then you should be good to go. If you don't see this section of questions, you might have to request for the desktop site version of your Chrome or browser. To do that, just click the icon here, the font, and then it will show you the desktop or request desktop website. But if you are in a Chrome browser, click on the three dots on the top right corner and you should be able to see the option for the desktop site as well. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you.